How to find draft reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can find draft reels on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find the reels that you had saved as draft to your Facebook app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. And once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to tap the plus icon that you can find from the very top. And now what you can do is basically, if you have a certain type of reel in your draft, you'll find the option called drafts, which is at the very top, and you can see two draft, which means I have got two reels saved as my draft. Now this draft section is only going to show up if you had earlier saved a particular reel as a draft instead of publishing them. So what you can now do is you can go to the draft section, select a draft that you would like to edit, be it whichever that you like to prefer. After you select that, you can tap the next option and then just choose to go ahead and then find those draft reels. This way you can find draft reels on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.